तो एक बार आप सभी का स्वागत है और थोड़ी देर बैठ जाइए सो बिकॉज दिस इज स्टोरी टाइम विद सम स्टोरी एंड या सो बेसिकली अगर आप कहानी में इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है तो yes you can just go and watch my other videos, right? And you can come back later for other videos as well. So but today is story time and like I have something interesting to tell you. And last few days I've been showing you some of the good things which I have done, some of the new things which I did, you know. The first thing is the PC build and unboxing of my PC equipments. So as you could see just behind me, and जैसे कि मैंने इन सारे PC को खुद build किया है and you can just watch those video. If you haven't watched my video, just I'm giving you the link. You can just go there and you can watch my videos and you can come back so that you could understand everything. So सबसे पहले तो मैंने PC बनवाया and afterwards I was super happy, and afterwards just I guess yesterday I released my original song and I was very excited for all those things, and I was really overwhelmed by the response of the people, you know. And even though I have like not many subscribers, but like I love it. I love the process, you know, of growing day by day, slowly, but I am gradually growing in my YouTube channel. So हुआ क्या, I built my PC, I did all those things and I was super happy. You knew my story, right? So afterwards क्या हुआ, आज सुबह के 1 बजे में we were just watching Bisu and I were watching a lip sync battle, to be precise, in YouTube in my desktop. And suddenly sound came up and suddenly मेरे कमरे का सारा करंट चला गया, कनेक्शन पता नहीं क्या हुआ, and suddenly we even heard the sound at that particular point of time. धप से कुछ आवाज़ आया and I thought like that sound came from my CPU, but बिशु को लगा कि वो आया है ये स्विच बोर्ड से. And afterwards like light is gone, मेरा कमरा बिल्कुल अंधेरा हो चुका था. So we went to the other room और वहाँ पे हमने चेक किया and like CPU was like not turning on, nothing at all, कुछ भी रिस्पॉन्स नहीं दे रहा था. And even my switch board was gone totally and I was super confused, you know, कि क्या हो गया. And I was thinking of like अगर गलती से अगर मदरबोर्ड में कुछ असर हुआ तो like it could be a disaster, you know, क्योंकि वहाँ पे प्रोसेसर रहता है, ग्राफिक कार्ड रहता है, रैम रहता है, SSD कार्ड रहता है, so everything is there. and इस मदरबोर्ड को कुछ हुआ तो सारा मेरा ख़त्म हो जाएगा, like जो भी उसके साथ करने देते हैं. But the second thing was like SMPS, the power supply. अगर power supply को कुछ हुआ तो it's okay, not good but it's okay, क्योंकि power supply बाद में हम change कर सकते हैं. So I was confused and without like much thinking मैं सो गया. and आज सुबह PC की दुकान पर गया and let's see, आगे की स्टोरी आपको मैं दिखाता हूँ. वेबसाइट भी नहीं है, कैसे क्लेम करेगा रे इसका?
टिकट वगैरह का कोई दिक्कत नहीं है ना, डायरेक्ट कंपनी में आरएमए करने से वो टिकट ये वगैरह
कौन सा कंपनी लो,
मतलब अलग ब्रांड होगा.
हाँ हो जाता है ना डायरेक्ट. ये कोर्स के रेलो का कुल मास्टर लोग का हो जाता है ना. ओह नो, एटम ने तो मेरा जिंदगी बर्बाद कर दिया. हाँ ओह
ठीक है, यहाँ में डायरेक्ट आरएमए कर देना है. आरएमए करने से तुम्हारा डायरेक्ट वारंटी वो पिक कर लेगा और ये पिक करके तुम्हें डिलीवरी भी दे देगा.
ओह डायरेक्ट वो लोग रिस्क लेते हैं ना.
डायरेक्ट कंपनी से हो जाएगा.
ओह
जैसा कि कूलर मास्टर कर दी ना.
तुम कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं?
बेचारा 10 दिन भी नहीं हुआ था पूछो सकता होगा क्या हो गया था.
SMPS
हो गया, पावर सप्लाई.
सो
ये जो इसको कितना करके दे रहा है.
सो ये पूरा पावर केबल एक्चुअली आपका मदरबोर्ड और जो पेरिफेरल में जाना है वो सब में जाता है. एंड इट्स गॉन नाउ. और मेरा एक्चुअली ऑलमोस्ट आई गेस इसका 6,000 to 7,000 डायरेक्ट उड़ गया सब कुछ. As you have seen, like SMPS हो गया. And if you don't know SMPS, so this is the SMPS. So इसमें बहुत सारे केबल एक्चुअली. So ये सब मदरबोर्ड में जाता है because of this only, like the PC, the CPU runs. Okay, so ये उड़ गया actually, and I was actually sad to be precise, and because ये PC बनाने में I guess मेरे ख्याल से 2 सप्ताह भी सही से नहीं हुआ, and my SMPS is gone. This is not good, but I have learned something from this, you know, because when I went there and the mechanic, he told me that this company is not that good, you know, and I should have gone for other SMPS, other power supply, and उसके बाद मुझे पता चला कि okay, so I have done some mistakes because I have bought everything from my own research. I have not went for some expert advice, you know. So I have learned from this that you should be buying things after the advice of some expert, and like अभी मुझे पता नहीं है कि इसका मुझे वारंटी भी मिलने वाला है कि नहीं, so but still I will be trying and I'll be showing you everything. But this is the story that whenever you go for some new thing, you should get some expert advice beforehand, and then you should go on for all these things, you know. That's the lesson I learned from this, you know, कि आप सामान जब लेते हो या फिर कुछ नया करते हो तो you should have some basic knowledge. मैं थोड़ा खुश हूँ कि पूरा CPU नहीं हो रहा. So yes guys, so this was my story, and I hope you have got something from this, कि आपको सामान खरीदने से पहले you should get some advice and afterwards you should go. Otherwise मेरे जैसा आपका भी हो सकता है, and if I would have been careful, ऐसा नहीं होना था, and ऐसा होने पर भी मुझे वारंटी ऐसा कुछ आसानी से मिल जाता था. So अभी पता नहीं इसका क्या होगा. तब तक मेरा PC ऐसा ही रहने वाला है. I wanted to record this video since I have been telling you the good side of PC build or good side of doing something new. So you should also know what is the bad side, you know, the bad side of doing new things. So I just want to share this with you. That's all for today, and yes, I know this video is not very interesting. So yes, but my next video is going to be very exciting. So thank you for watching my channel, and yes, as always, don't forget to subscribe to Anchor Blogs, and thank you for your love and support.